Todd O'Leary, Director of Marketing, Visit Milwaukee.
Noise is comprised of a great group of dedicated professionals that work on a number of CVB accounts throughout the area. They are fantastic about really putting all of the dots together, making sure that all of the pieces of a successful campaign work in harmony together to ensure success. So whether it's social media or website or advertising, all of those components are really working in sync. Again, I think also the group is fantastic as far as the professionals that work there about really in understanding the industry in which they represent and their customers' needs and expressing that as part of the work that they do. You see the success of the campaigns that they've worked on and really being able to deliver results, and I think that you'll find that Noise has been very successful in doing that for us and other customers. The folks who work there are really truly dedicated professionals who work hard and understand the industry. Our industry is unlike most others out there in the world, and there's a lot of different moving factors at play. Noise really gets that.